Hola, hello everyone on YouTube. I hope you are having an amazing start to the new year. In today's YouTube video, we will be doing Amazon product research together. I will help you find winning products to sell on Amazon FBA that can make over $500 and more in net profit every single day. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today we will be doing Amazon product research together. This is a new product research strategy so you can finally find your winning product to sell in 2023 that can potentially make you over $500 per day. Let's dive right in. So the very first thing I want you to do is go to Amazon.com and type in any product that you have in mind. I was just looking at baby blankets yesterday for my twin boys, so I am going to type in baby blankets. No, this is not the product we will be selling today, but just bear with me and follow these steps. So when you get to the very first page, you want to copy the ASIN for one of the top sellers. So I'm just going to copy this ASIN. This product looks like it's a high price product. It has a lot of reviews, and I am going to just copy this ASIN right here by clicking on this little button. By the way, you guys, you need to install Helium 10 Chrome extension. If you have not already, you need to install this extension so you can see all of the data that I am seeing on my screen. Make sure you guys use my coupon code on the screen right here to get 20% off Helium 10 for 6 months. I will also drop this link in the YouTube description below. Click on that link to get 20% off Helium 10. So after you copy the top seller's ASIN, we are going to head over to Helium 10 Cerebro. Cerebro is under tools under reverse product lookup. We want to find all of the keywords related to this baby blanket. So I'm just going to paste it in here and then click on get keywords. Run new search so we always have a new set of keywords. Now we are looking at the keyword baby blankets. Now, of course, I do not want to sell a blanket. We already know that I do not want to sell a blanket, but this is a good product to get ideas from through researching other keywords. So what we are going to do is go under exclude phrases containing blanket because I don't want to look at blankets, so I want to exclude phrases containing blanket. Now, if you are doing this for yourself, maybe you are looking up gym bags, or maybe you are looking up tennis balls, or maybe you're looking up I don't know, any keyword that you can think of, you want to exclude that product. Now, again, bear with me. I know this may seem confusing, but this is the exact strategy that I like to use to find winning products quickly. If you guys are brand new to selling on Amazon and you need my help to find profitable products to sell, then make sure you click on the free training link in the YouTube description below to get my free 20-minute webinar training that will walk you through step by step how to find products to sell on Amazon that actually make you money. Enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the very end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will take care of you. We will walk you through the entire process. So getting back to here, let's click on apply filters. And what that will do is that Helium 10 will bring up all of the keywords that exclude the word blanket, but it will show us other keywords that are related to the word baby. So click on apply filters and you will be doing the same for whichever product that you are trying to look up. You want to exclude the keyword that is the product itself. So let's scroll down, and what we are going to do is sort the search volume from big to small because I want to look at the most popular keywords first and work my way down. Now, from experience, I already know that search volumes that are in the 6-figure range are oversaturated and highly competitive keywords, meaning if you try to source a product that contain any of these keywords, you may run into a competition issue, and you may run into an issue where you find out that it's really hard to sell your product. And that's because there are too many searches per month. You want to look further down and look for keywords that are not that high in demand, because these have lower competition, and that's what we want to find our winning product. So let's go over to the left-hand side and let's start looking for some product ideas based off these keywords. So we have newborn. That's not like a specific type of keyword that I want to look at. Baby items. This keyword is too broad. What you want to try to identify here are keywords that describe a product. So we have baby gift. Again, it's just too broad. Huggies, obviously we are not selling diapers. That's just silly. Let me see if I can find a keyword here. Okay, so I got one right here, stroller cover for winter. So as you can see, stroller cover is a product itself, right? It's not a keyword like girl. It's not a keyword like newborn, where it's so broad it can mean almost anything. You want to find a keyword with a product idea. And that's exactly what I found right here. And when I look at the search volume, it has a decent amount of search volume. This is just under 10,000 searches per month, which means it's in demand, but not crazy high in demand. And again, if you guys want to follow my proven formula on how to find winning products, then just click on the free training link that I mentioned to you earlier in the YouTube description below to get my free Amazon training that will walk you through the entire process. So let's click on this little arrow right here, and this will open up page 1 for our stroller cover for winter. Now, this is a decent product. I've looked at this product before. I've never sold this product, but in my opinion, it's a decent product because of the total sales revenue. So open up your Helium 10 Chrome extension, go to X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Now, again, you will be following the exact same steps for whichever product that you put into the search bar. Go to Cerebro, find keyword product ideas, open up page 1, and let's have a look. So the total revenue is 1.5 million. I am looking at this at the end of Q4, so the numbers do look a little inflated because during the holiday season, everybody's shopping on Amazon. But I know that year round, this product probably does not have this high of a revenue at 1.5 million. Now we are going to get into the good stuff. We are going to talk about how to know if this product will potentially make us that $500 per day in net profit. So I am going to sort the sales from big to small. If you guys have watched any of my previous Amazon product research tutorials on my channel, you know I usually sort by revenue, big to small, but this time I am going to look at the number of sales from big to small, because this will help us determine whether or not this product has a potential to make us $500 per day. How do we do that? Let's find the average number of sales and then let's take a look at that product. So I can see that the top seller here is selling over 19,000 sales per month. Now, if I go down here, it looks like some sellers are, selling like 500 sales a month. But if I take the average number, I would say 5,000 would be our average number of sales for this first page, right? So I'm just going to take this seller, for example. They are doing just over 4,000 sales per month. I think that's pretty average for what we are looking at here on the first page. Now I'm going to click on this seller, and you will be doing the same on your side for whatever product that comes up for you. And then we want to use Helium 10 profitability calculator to see if there is even a chance for us to make that $500 net profit per day. So click on this, and then all you need to do is find a supplier on Alibaba.com. Make sure you enter all of the correct information that they give you for unit manufacturing costs. freight costs from your freight forwarder, etc., and how much you want to sell the product for, dimensions, weight. You can get all of this information from your supplier on Alibaba.com. Now, using this example and this seller, I can see that Helium 10 is estimating that their profit margin is about 25%. Not bad. I always like to use a 30% profit margin or greater when I am looking for products to sell on Amazon. But even for myself, sometimes my profit margins are around 25% because I'm running advertising and maybe I'm spending some money on inventory, etc. So their profit margin is 25%. So if I go back here and I take their total sales revenue and take out my calculator, I punch in $72,679 in revenue per month, and I multiply this by 25% profit margin. This means that this seller is profiting over $18,000 every month by selling this stroller rain cover. Now, how do we know if they will make $500 per day? It's very simple. Let's divide this number by 30 because there are about 30 days in a month. And there you go. They are making $605 in average every day in net profit by selling this stroller rain cover. Now, I don't want you guys to go out there and start sourcing this product because a lot of people are watching this YouTube video, but this is how simple it is to find a product that can potentially make you over $500 per day. And if that is your goal, then these are the steps that you can get started with so you can find your own winning product for this year. I hope this video has helped you guys today to help you find potential product ideas that can make you the amount of money that you want. If you have any questions or comments for me, please drop it in the comment section below. Help me give this YouTube video a huge thumbs up and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every single week when I post a new YouTube video. I'll see you guys next week.